Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be doing good. I am also good by the grace of God. So guys, before immersing into the video, let me tell you something about myself. My name is Wasim. I am from Pakistan, but currently I am living in Dubai to earn bread and butter my family. So guys, when it comes to speak guys, I have started speaking from very scratch from the beginning guys. You know, if I tell you that why I have started speaking guys, it is the necessity of our time nowadays, and time it is very important to become fluent in English. So guys, I have to start after the duty routine, and today I am going to do something very special guys, so stay tuned with me. So guys, as you can see, I have washed my pot, and here is the spoon. Actually I don't know what is the English for this, but no problem. What is the English for this, Aryan? What we can say this? Spoon? No, this is not spoon, I think. So guys, I have turned on the stove already. Now I am going to put my pot on it. This is my beautiful pot guys. So here we have already, you know, prepared the ingredients. Actually I was on the duty, and before that Mr. Kaisar, I will also introduce you to him. Actually he was on the vacation recently. He came I think 2 to 3 days back. He brought something special from the Pakistan, that is very famous thing in Pakistan, we can say, like mustard greens or mustard seeds, we can say. He brought it from there. Recently he came, I think 2 days back he came from Pakistan. Now he is eating the sweet. Kader Saab, how are you? Good. Good. Okay, let me know, Kader Saab, where you have kept.
Here.
Okay, in this jar guys. Here we have mustard. Open, Kaisar sir. No, don't talk like that. Don't whisper, Kaisar sir. We are recording the video.
Oh.
You also. He is twisting off the cap, guys. As I said several times. See, guys. This is the mustard leaf. So we are just going to temper them simply, guys. It is almost ready. Here is the desi ghee. Actually, he brought it from Pakistan. So that's what, you know, we are going to cook this green mustard leaves into this desi ghee. He brought this special barfi for me from Pakistan. Thank you so much, Kaisar Saab. I have eaten a lot, but you know, this is very special barfi. Even after, I think this is khoya. We in like our language we said khoya, but I don't know what we can say in English. This is khoya guys. You know, if you eat almost 3 to 4 pieces, you will feel like eating more. You know, most of the time what happens when we eat sweet, even 1 piece, after that we don't like to eat. But you know, after eating this we feel like eating it more. And see, he is holding two what is that, Kaisar sir? What we can say, dabba? Sorry, two box of sweets, and he is going to give someone. I think he brought for someone else, right ji?
Yeah.
Going somewhere,
Yeah.
to deliver. Actually after coming back we have to, you know, fulfill all the responsibilities. People, when we are back to home country, there are people, they say that you have to bring this and that for us. Okay, I told them to check, am I visible? Kaisar sir,
Okay.
do something, Kaisar sir. Kaisar sir will also help me guys. We are going to cook, you know, mustard in this. Okay, add little more, Kaisar sir. And this is desi ghee. Okay, I think this is sufficient. We have to cook that all, Kaisar sir? Where is that?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay, then I think this is enough. Okay, this much clarified butter guys, we can say desi ghee in our language, but in English we can say clarified butter. So Kaisar Saab added almost 2 to 3 tablespoon of clarified butter. Now we are going to add cumin seed in that. Kaisar Saab, just open my locker and just remove that bucket, white bucket.
This one.
Yeah, just remove. I have, see guys, I have all the spices in it in this bucket. Actually before I used to keep there, but ever since Kaisar Saab started using that, now after that I am keeping all my spices in this. Stove was already heated. So now what we are going to do, we are going to add what, Kaisar Saab?
Garlic.
Garlic. Just add the garlic in it.
Salsa.
Okay. Mr. Kaisar is going to add the garlic. Here guys, just take a look. We have added the garlic, minced garlic guys. It Kaisar Saab minced the garlic. You can feel the aroma of clarified butter. Kaisar Saab, can you feel the aroma?
Yeah.
Kaisar Saab, this smell is called aroma.
Aroma.
But most of the time we use smell word for everything, like smell of shoes and smell of everything. But I think aroma we can use it like it's very unique aroma. So that's what very unique smell, good smell. I think we can say it good smell or aroma. We are waiting until it's become golden brown or light brown. So I think it is turning into be light brown because our stove is too fast. I can say it's exorbitant fast. Exorbitant we can also use, we can replace the two and I can use exorbitant. We are going to add tomato in this. I wanted to cook ginger in this, but I can feel that our temper is about to burn, so we will not let it be burn guys. Just have a look guys. Okay, put it back on the hot stove Kaisar Saab. So here guys, I'm just trying to mash it with the help of this spoon. Until I don't know the exact name, I can call it spoon guys. This is the spoon of wood, we can say wooden spoon. Here guys, I am going to add salt in it. Yes sir, just try to show here in the pot. We don't have any measuring spoon or something like that guys. We have like this much salt. I think this is enough for us, so I am not going to add anything else so far because why I have added the salt, so all the ingredients will cook very soon, will be soft very soon. Here guys, actually I forgot what this action called in English. Just now I checked on the Google and Google told me that this action is called stirring. Kaisar, Mr. Kaisar, he is stirring the spoon in this guys. See, this action is called stirring. I am going to use all my spices guys. Here I have the magic bucket. So this is guys coriander powder. So we are going to add coriander powder without any measurement. Okay, I think this is enough. Now guys, this is, I forgot what is this. So garam masala, I don't know, I brought it but I forgot. Okay, no, I think this is enough. So guys, what else I have here, just let me have a look guys. This is turmeric guys. This is also very essential part of any cooking
Item.
Any cooking item. Okay. Now guys, the third item what I have, this is called China salt guys. Just to enhance the taste, we are going to add this China salt in this. So here, see, Mr. Mazhar, he came out from the window. He is peeping through the window guys. He is saying hi to everyone. Mazhar sir, he came to collect the rotis guys. Here I have rotis. How many rotis do you have Mazhar bhai?
Me and one total two.
Total 2 roti?
Yes.
Just take a look. I think in this we have 2 rotis. You can take.
Hello guys, follow me.
follow me. Just close the window. Close the window, ji. Okay. Kaisar Saab is continuously stirring, guys. I need to add almost little water in this. Before going to add the water, we have to add, chopped green chili in this. Kaisar Saab is adding the green chopped chili, guys. Now he's stirring in it, guys. Just check it out, guys. We did not add the onion. Actually, I think onion is not required for mustard leaves. Now at this point I am going to add little bit water in it. Just have a look, guys. Little bit only. Yeah. See guys, now I think I need to add little more guys. This is enough. Here guys, simultaneously I have to clean the place, and for that I am going to rinse this chopping board guys. This is called chopping board, so I am rinsing the water on it guys. Here, just have a look. I can also use the wash, but along with that you can see that I am rinsing the water, or I am spilling the water on it, just to remove all the unwanted items. Here guys, I will just leave it here in the sink for a while, so that excess of water will be released on it. I think our tempering is almost ready guys. We can say tadka, or in English we can say that it's temper. We are tempering the mustard leaves guys. Have a look guys. Kaisar Saab, he was planning to take a bath, but in between he said that first of all I will help you, after that I'll be taking the bath. Kaisar Saab is going to add boil, what we can say, boil mustard leaves in this. Don't add all, I think. Okay, we have added half from it guys. This is the full jar, and we have added half from it. Twist on the lid, that jar. Okay, this action is called twist on. Is twisting on the lid of that jar. See guys, our mustard leaves are ready. Here, just have a look guys. It started releasing the oil. At this point we can say that it is ready. Just have a look guys. We can see oil from the corners. See, it's mean that our mustard leaves are ready to eat. Guys, here I came on the rooftop to collect my blanket. Here Mr. Zaid, he is going to help me. He is folding my blanket randomly guys. When you fold the blanket like that, you can say that I am folding the blanket randomly. Zaid is folding the blanket randomly guys. What else I have to collect from here? This is also mine guys, but I am not going to collect it today. I will collect it tomorrow. Zaid, thank you so much.
Welcome sir.
You folded the blanket for me. What else I have to take? Here Mr. Ranjit, he is from Nepal. Say hi Ranjit. Hi. He is saying hi to everyone guys. I have to collect this is guys my I think no one saw it, so that's what my washing powder is still there. So guys, I think someone used my washing powder. No problem. This is my laundry bag guys. I am going to pick it up from the floor. Kaisar Saab, what Kaisar Saab is doing? Kaisar Saab, just do it one more time, so that we can learn something guys. I think this is called tossing. Kaisar Saab is tossing the salad. We have only cucumber. He sliced the cucumber. After that he added the salt, pinch of salt in it. Now he tossed it. Here guys, we have prepared one ready-made paratha. This is ready-made paratha guys. Pan is too hot. We have to take care. Now guys, for today I am going to end this video here, and we are going to have this beautiful mustard leaves along with Kaisar Saab and along with this roti, and I'll see you in the next video. Tell them take care. Allah.